Benvenuti, cocktail enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover the delightful world of Italian limoncello. This vibrant lemon liqueur has captivated taste buds worldwide, but there are some lesser-known facts that make it even more intriguing. So, grab your glasses and join us as we unveil the secrets of limoncello. Buongiorno. Did you know that limoncello is not just a delicious liqueur, it's deeply rooted in Italian tradition? But there's so much more to learn. Let's uncover some unknown facts about this zesty elixir. The origins of limoncello trace back to the sunny region of southern Italy, especially the Amalfi Coast and Sorrento Peninsula. The fertile soil and abundant sunshine create the perfect conditions for growing the vibrant and fragrant lemons used to make limoncello. It's a taste of the Mediterranean sunshine in every sip. Did you know that traditional limoncello is a labor of love? This liqueur is typically handcrafted by steeping lemon zest in high-proof alcohol, usually vodka or grappa. The process can take several weeks, allowing the oils and flavors from the lemon zest to infuse into the spirit. It's a testament to the dedication and craftsmanship behind every bottle. One of the secrets to fully enjoying limoncello lies in the serving temperature. Unlike other spirits, limoncello is best served ice cold, straight from the freezer. The frosty temperature intensifies the refreshing citrus flavors and gives it a delightful, smooth texture. So, chill your limoncello before indulging in its vibrant goodness. In Italy, limoncello is not just a tasty liqueur, it also has a special role in the culinary culture. It is often served as a digestive after a meal to aid in digestion. The bright acidity of the lemons and the soothing properties of alcohol are believed to help settle the stomach and cleanse the palate. It's the perfect ending to a satisfying meal. While sipping limoncello on its own is a delightful experience, its vibrant flavors make it a versatile ingredient in mixology. From classic cocktails like limoncello spritz to creative concoctions, this liqueur adds a zesty twist to any drink. So, don't hesitate to explore the world of limoncello mixology and unleash your inner bartender. And there you have it, folks. Some unknown facts about Italian limoncello that make it even more captivating. From its sun-kissed origins to the meticulous craftsmanship, the perfect serving temperature, its digestive properties, and the versatility in mixology, limoncello offers a truly unique experience. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tantalizing tales of beverages from around the world. Salute! Cheers to the zestful wonders of limoncello and the joy it brings to our taste buds. Until next time, keep sipping and exploring the vibrant world of cocktails.